In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Confluence page safely and restore it later if needed. By the end, you'll know the key options available, how to pick the right one for your situation, and how to verify the page is no longer publicly visible. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to take offline. Make sure you're on the exact page, not just the parent. If the page has child pages, remember, those are separate items. Unpublishing one doesn't automatically hide the others. Confirm you have the necessary permissions to change or remove the page. Next, go to the three-dot More Actions menu, typically in the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find the options that control visibility and lifecycle. Depending on your site's configuration, you should see choices like delete, archive, or restrictions. On some layouts, there may also be a lock icon that leads to the same restriction settings. Now consider which option best removes public visibility. Archive is a good choice when you want to hide the page from normal navigation and search results without losing its history. You can bring it back later. Delete is stronger. It removes the page from the space and usually sends it to the trash, where it can be restored for a limited time depending on your site's policies. Restrictions let you control who can view or edit the page. If the goal is to stop anonymous or broad audience access but still allow a small group to see it, restrict the page to specific users or groups instead of deleting it. After you pick the option, confirm the action carefully. Read the prompts and understand what will happen, especially if the page has child pages or if there are links pointing to it. If you delete, make sure you know where the trash is and who can restore items. If you apply restrictions, double check that only the intended people retain access. Verify that the page is no longer visible to others. Open a private browsing window, sign out, or ask a colleague without special access to try the link. Also, try searching for the page title to ensure it no longer appears in results. If you need to bring the page back later, simply reverse what you did. Unarchive it to republish, remove or loosen restrictions to broaden access, or restore it from the trash if it was deleted. Give it a quick review to confirm links, permissions, and search visibility are all as intended.